We are creating an application to read and write quotes in the database. In this video, we will create a new screen in our app to input a quote from user and create it in our database. Let's get started. Remove this sample code. Switch to the Android view. Create a new activity. Go to Activity Layout File. Create two edit text fields to input the quote, and author name, and a button to add the quote. Go to the main layout file, and add a floating action button to switch to the Add Quote screen. In the main activity Java class, bind the button and set a listener on it. Create an intent to jump to the Add Quote screen. Let's run our application to see the Add Quote screen. see you in the next video.